So welcome guys. Now we are starting our second session, and it is actually we are talking about uh, that for Mendel experiment, right? The chapter name is heredity. Heredity, and in heredity, last time we were discussing about monohybrid, where we were talking about tall, tall pea plant and
Short sleep.
short pea plant, right? So what was the result of F1 generation? If this one is tall, and this one is small t, what was the result of F1 generation?
Big T and small t.
Capital T
Genotype.
and small t.
If I talk about phenotype, what will be the result?
3:1.
Chitraj, bacha, background se sound. Phenotype is all tall, right? Phenotype is all tall, right? If I talk about phenotype means दिखने में कैसा है, right? So all tall. But if I talk about genotype,
1:2:1.
capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, and small t, small t. That is, this one is 1, this one is totally 2, this one is totally 1. So the ratio of the genotype is
1:2:1.
remember na, you can अब you have to remember like 7 जन्म के लिए याद हो गया ना. Fine. Now next, this one is this one is what? This one is F2 generation, right? Now this one is F2 generation, right? Now so I was on F1 generation, ठीक है ना? I was directly jumping to F2 generation, so I am repeating again. This one is F1, one is tall, one is short, tall, short. So the result is all tall. Result is all tall. Capital T, capital T.
No, sir.
Sorry,
Capital T,
sorry.
small t.
Capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Now, at this point, the question will say you, how can you show that the small character is still there in F1 generation? I'm repeating again. At this point, if the board will ask you question, how the result of the F1 generation is all tall. How can you prove that here is also there is recessive character is still there? How can you prove that?
By crossing two progeny of the F1 generation.
All of you got my question? एक बार हिंदी में repeat करते हैं. F1 generation में I got all tall. Now the board will ask you, how can you show that all are looking tall, but they have some recessive character also? So you'll say that if I take take this F1 generation result and cross any two, what will be the result? This will be the
Three tall, one short.
3 will be tall and 1 will be short. If the F1 generation all are tall, and if there is no small character, how this small will come? So it's clearly show that still F1 generation has
Short.
that
genotype.
recessive character
Short
small t. Okay. Now the next point which we have to move is dihybrid, right? Dihybrid. So in dihybrid, we used to compare two properties. Which are two properties? Like if I talk about pea plant, one will be yellow and versus that is color. If I talk about color, one is yellow versus
Green.
one is
Green.
So which one is, you have to remember कि dominant character कौन है? Which one is the dominant character?
Yellow.
अब आप सर कहोगे क्वेश्चन ना, तो यहाँ क्वेश्चन नहीं, आपको रखना पड़ेगा. इट इज येलो, राइट? यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. अभी यहाँ अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछेगा ना सर ग्रीन क्यों नहीं, येलो क्यों, ठीक है ना? सो दिस इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ रिसर्च, ठीक है ना? सो दैट वी हैव आल्सो नॉट गॉन टू दैट रिसर्च और like है ना this thing. So you have to remember in yellow green which one is dominant?
Yellow.
Yellow, dirty fellow, right? Now if I talk about shape, one is totally round round, and other one is
Wrinkled.
Wrinkled.
right?
Wrinkled.
आपने pea plant देखा ना जिसमें like वो दबा दबा like रहता है ना, like wrinkled, right? It is
Yes.
wrinkled, right? So which one is the dominant character? Dominant character कौन सा है?
Round.
Round. All of you
Round.
remembered ना? सबको याद हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yellow, green.
Yes, sir.
Yellow versus green. Who will win?
Yellow.
Yellow.
If I
Yellow.
fight between shape of round and wrinkle, which will win?
Round.
Remember, first thing is clear. Now the second point. Just a second. Now the second point will be the second rule. Okay, all you have to follow this rule. Okay. If I talk about this yellow, if I write this yellow as capital Y, if I write this yellow as capital Y, for green, I'm comparing the yellow and green, I have to write in small character. And you cannot
Small y.
write like small g. What is the rule? You have to write.
Small y,
Ah.
small y.
हाँ एग्जाम में बच्चे जाकर रिसीव है ना, आई विल राइट इन स्मॉल जी गया नंबर गया तो उड़ गया राइट. सो व्हाट आई विल राइट
Small y, small y.
remember. Now if I talk about round and if I am writing round as capital R, हम लिखने के लिए कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं राइट, but if I am writing round as, it will be better I should write R and R. Fine. So,
Yes,
so
sir.
for wrinkled, I will write WW.
No, sir.
Small r, small r.
Very clear now?
Smaller.
All of you remember? सबको क्या करना है पता चल गया?
Yes, sir.
Now the next point will be, I'm taking one yellow dirty fellow and round. This is what? This is yellow and round. Right? So how I will write? This one is yellow.
Capital Y.
For yellow, I will write capital Y. For round, I will write
Capital R,
capital R. It is getting somewhat lighter, so I'm writing with different color. Capital Y, capital R. In comparing to this, I will take this wrinkled P. So it will be it is which color?
Green.
Green and
Wrinkled.
wrinkled. How I will write the genotype?
Small y, small r.
Smaller.
Can I write like RRYY?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here I am writing what first?
Y.
Color.
No, so फिर YYRR.
YY क्या है? Color मैंने first लिखा ना. So I will write here color first. What is here? The color is what? YY. It is okay?
Small y, small.
Yes.
So what I will write? Small y.
Small r,
Small
small r.
r, small r.
Problem है?
No, sir.
ठीक है ना? Now again as a P plant में dominant character ही appear होता है, right? If one is like, अब आप कहोगे dominant क्या? For suppose someone is stronger, someone is weaker, और दोनों लड़ जाए तो क्या होगा? Stronger will win, na? So definitely here also, if there will be cross of these two characters, if I make this hybrid, इन दोनों के characters को match करते हैं, then that बच्चा P plant, right? That will be what?
Capital R, small r, capital
How
Y,
it will
small y.
look? First ये दिखेगा कैसा?
Yellow and
Round
round.
and yellow.
Yellow and round.
Round.
So for yellow and round, you will not like YYRR, right? अब ऐसा नहीं होगा. Why? When you were studying this P plant experiment, F1 generation में आपको क्या मिला था? Small TB मिला था ना? So
Yes.
same Mendel has found that okay, it will look like yellow and round, but the genotype, if I will talk about genotype, so first I will write for color. For color it is capital Y, and from here one
Small
G
y.
from here and
Small
one from
y.
here. Small y. From here it is
Capital
R.
R, small r.
Here it is small r. All of you remember?
Yes, sir.
Now one thing you have noticed why I'm writing like that. Why I'm taking one only y from here and a small y from here, so it is get yellow colored. Here it is capital Y, small y. Dominant will be y. First of all, coming Lavanya. In capital Y, small y, as the dominant character is there, so it will look like yellow. And here capital R, small r. So round is dominant, so this will appear, right? So now first question, why I'm writing capital Y, small y, both why I'm writing? Why both the characters are written?
It's showing
ये वो
both the
दो
That's
चीज का
because
है
we
ना।
are crossing
because
both
they're
the
crossed.
character.
crossing.
Any other
Because we
answer?
have two traits for each character.
Create for each character, okay? So I'm giving simple once explanation also. All of you know that we have all how much chromosomes? Human,
23 pairs.
26.
And 46.
23, 26.
3 pairs of chromosomes.
23 pairs of
23
chromosomes.
pairs.
Exactly. So the number of chromosomes is?
23.
So
46.
male and female.
47.
Male have 23 pair, that is total 56 chromosomes, and female has 56 chromosomes. The child should also have 56 chromosomes.
Yes.
अभी
Yes.
56 plus 56 हो जाएगा तो कुछ और ही बच्चा बन जाएगा, right?
46.
दो बार
What I'm trying to explain you, number of chromosomes in an organism, either plant or weed, remain the same, right? Na?
yes sir.
Right? Na?
Yes.
So in
Yes.
order of that, that's why we are writing, if I'm taking, where it gone? If I'm taking capital Y1 from here, I will take small y only 1. So that, see, for yellow, you are writing 2 y's, right? Here. But here for this, 1 y is representing yellow, but here the small trait is small y also. So I'm writing only one time. So that the number of chromosomes for yellow color and with recessive, which one is green, is again 2. Here it is 2 chromosomes for color. Here also it is 2 chromosomes for color. Here we have also, where it gone? 2 chromosomes for color. So बच्चे में जो अगला F1 आएगा उसमें भी तो same number of chromosomes होगा ना? I will not write 4 times, right? Na? In your book it is written, क्यों होता है? How the number of chromosomes get reestablished? So कैसे reestablish हो पाता है offspring में? How the number of chromosomes can reestablish? Because only one thread will go from each from male and each from female. Then the number of chromosomes will get reestablished. Not get my point ना? समझ में नहीं आया होगा?
आगे सर
आगे सर.
In your if I talk about your book, it will be written, आपके टेक्स्ट में वो बिल्कुल हेरिडिटी में लिखा हुआ है. It will be question in your exam कि how we are able to maintain the number of chromosomes in offspring. Your answer will be from chromosomes is not a thing, है ना? Is not a single thread. It is written in your book. Chromosomes is not a single thread. Every one is a pair of chromosomes. So in 23 pair, one. So 23 pair, each one is not a single thread. Only one pair will go from male. So 23 from male, 23 from female. So in the child offspring, again 46, 23 plus 23, that number of chromosomes again get reestablished. Right now. So likewise, I am writing the same. ठीक है ना? इसीलिए इस तरह लिख रहा है, right? All of you remember?
yes sir.
याद हो गया?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Should I move next point?
Yes.
yes sir.
ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now, next point will be, I'm like erasing this. Now the next point will be this F1 generated, F1 result, that is, which is yellow and round, which is looking like yellow and round. But its genotype is what? Capital Y,
Capital Y, small
capital
small
Y,
y
small y, capital R,
capital
small
R
r.
small r.
remember? Now if I
Yes, sir.
will I will again take, ऐसा मैंने 2 ले लिया, right? और actually मैंने बहुत सारे लिए, ठीक है ना? और उनका क्रॉस करवा दिया, right? If I do cross, then the result will be see for board exam I'm not writing more. You have to think. आप अपने खुद से सोचो. You have yellow and which color it is? Yellow and green.
Green.
And shape is what? Shape is round.
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 Wrinkled. Now, what are the possibilities, right? अगर मान लेते हैं ना, if you go like if you go in boards, ना, you will do very better. मतलब if there is some accident, so might be death हो जाए, might be death नहीं हो जाए. You study ना probability. आप एक coin toss करोगे तो possibility is like head ही आएगा या tail आएगा. You write like ना sample space.
Yes,
You understood? Sample space क्या क्या possible है होने का? If you throw a dice क्या आ सकता है? 1 2 3 4 5 6. That like you do ना. समझ में आता है ये? So similarly,
Yes, sir.
the same situation here also. ठीक है ना? So here we have how much combination possible. The combination can be वो जो next generation आने वाला है वो yellow and round हो सकता है. Then yellow and wrinkled हो सकता है. Means it will be yellow in color, but it will be round. Yellow in color, but wrinkled. Right? Now it can be green. वो green color का भी हो सकता है. I should write like in, I'm writing just a second. I'm using the same color. That will be better. So if I talk about yellow, it can be yellow. Sorry. It can be yellow and round. Yellow but
Wrinkled.
Then
Green and round.
Green and round.
green and round. Then
Green and wrinkled.
Green and wrinkled.
These are the only 4 possibilities. Very sure?
Yes.
Yes,
Right now,
sir.
these are the only possibilities. Now you have to remember the ratio. Exam point of view से अगर आपको ratio नहीं याद है, you know nothing clearly. ठीक है ना? So which one? See, this one is round and yellow. Both our characters are dominant, right? Both characters are round and yellow. Both are dominant characters, right now? So it will have the highest number. That is 9. That
Yes,
is 9. Now here it is wrinkled and yellow.
9.
Wrinkled and yellow. Yellow is dominant character, but wrinkle is recessive character, right? So its ratio will be
Recessive character.
3. Its ratio will be 3. Now this one,
3 all.
it
3.
is green, which is recessive in character, but it is round, which is
But it's round. It is dominant.
round is dominant character. Round is dominant character, but it is green, so it is both characters.
Recessive.
Means both dominant and recessive character are there. So its ratio will also be 3.
3.
3.
This one, it is wrinkled and
Green.
Green. Both
Green.
recessive.
both recessive. So it will be only 1. So the ratio should be 9:3:3:3:1.
9:3:3:1.
3:3:1.
Right? 9:3:3:1. और इसके लिए प्रॉपर ब्रैकेट बना करके एक्चुअली क्रॉस करना पड़ता है. सो दैट नॉट आई एम डूइंग. ठीक है ना? सो एट बोर्ड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये आपको लिखना जरूरी होगा. इफ इट इज आस्किंग 4 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन लाइक ना, यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन द थिंग जो मैंने बोला. ठीक है? राइट द कोड ऑफ
Yes,
टुडे.
sir.
Yes, sir.
टारगेट है ना, डाइहाइब्रिड टारगेट डाइहाइब्रिड. एंड ऑल ऑफ यू लाइक कल आपका एक इवेंट होना है 8 PM में. सो आपके ऐप पर, ओडा ऐप पर यू कैन सी देयर विल बी सम बुकिंग लिंक, राइट? ऑल ऑफ यू हैव नोटेड दिस थिंग.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
वहां जाकर के सिंपली क्लिक कर लेना बुक को. ठीक है ना? लाइक टुमारो लाइक हेड सर विल टॉक टू पेरेंट्स एंड यू गाइस. ओके, सो यू हैव टू अटेंड दैट. ओके गाइस, फाइन है ना? कीप स्टडिंग. बाय ज्वाइन योर सेशन. You have
Thank
to
you,
Bye,
sir.
Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
what is today's code?
target dihybrid.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye Ashna. Bye guys. Bye Samriddhi. Bye Athirat. Bye Kapil. Bye Arjun. Bye Shaurvi. Bye Anjali. Bye Omkar. Bye Prithvi. Bye guys. है ना? Join your session. Bye Manu. Bye Abhika. Bye Adit. Bye Amog.